In today's video, I'll show you how to reset your blend door actuator in just 4 easy steps. If your car's AC is blowing the wrong temperature, or if you hear clicking sounds behind the dashboard, chances are your blend door actuator needs a reset. Don't worry, it's a simple fix you can do at home with basic tools. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn off the ignition. Alright, let's get into the first step. You need to make sure the vehicle is completely off. If you have a traditional key, turn it to the off position and remove it. If you have a push-button start, press it until all the lights and electronics shut down. Once the car is off, wait at least 30 seconds before moving to the next step. This is important because it allows the HVAC control module and other electronic systems to fully power down. Think of it like rebooting a computer. You want a clean shutdown before starting fresh. Step 2. Disconnect the battery. Step 2. Disconnect the battery. Next, open your hood and locate the battery. Using a wrench or socket, loosen the nut on the negative terminal. This is usually the black cable. Carefully disconnect it and set it aside where it won't accidentally touch metal. Now, this is the step that actually clears the memory from the actuator system. By cutting off all electrical power, the system forgets its previous calibration. I recommend leaving the battery disconnected for about 5 minutes, though some people prefer up to 10 minutes to be safe. During this time, the system is essentially wiping the slate clean. Step 3. Reconnect and reset the system. After waiting, reconnect the negative battery terminal and tighten it securely. Now head back into your car. Here's the key part: turn the ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine just yet. Leave it like this for about 60 seconds. During this time, you may hear soft clicking or buzzing noises coming from behind the dashboard. Don't panic, that's actually the actuator resetting itself. What's happening is the actuator is cycling through its range of motion, learning where fully open and fully closed are. This step is absolutely crucial, so be patient and give it enough time to complete. Step 4. Start the car and test the HVAC. Finally, go ahead and start the engine. Now it's time to test your HVAC system. Adjust the temperature knob from hot to cold, then try different vent settings like defrost, dash vents, and floor vents. Pay attention to whether the airflow changes correctly and whether the temperature responds the way it should. If everything works smoothly, nitrogen monoxide, strange noises, nitrogen monoxide stuck temperatures. Congratulations, you've just successfully reset your blend door actuator. Extra pro tips: always make sure your battery connections are clean and tight. A weak electrical connection can cause calibration issues. Try not to adjust your HVAC settings immediately after starting the car. Give the system 10 to 15 seconds to initialize. If your car has an automatic climate control system, some vehicles have a built-in recalibration sequence through the control panel. Check your owner's manual for model-specific procedures. Final thoughts. So there you have it for simple steps to reset your blend door actuator. 1. Turn off the ignition. 2. Disconnect the battery. 3. Reconnect and reset the system. 4. Start the car and test your HVAC. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Driven to Repair, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss future tips and tricks. Drop a comment below to let me know if this reset worked for your car, or if you had to replace the actuator in the end. Your feedback helps others who might be facing the same problem. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.